Welcome to the JSWIT Research and Development Society, or JRDS. Present in over 28 plus states across India, we partner with more than 100 organizations and 1,200 community groups to bring about meaningful change. Our development wing, Caring Through Sharing, is dedicated to helping the underprivileged through education and vocational training. With a presence across India, we empower individuals to reach their full potential. Skills training, mainstreaming youth into the organized job market through a network of technical training institutes. Social protection, enhancing the well-being and dignity of marginalized people through social protection and legal rights. Education, promoting education and empowerment through learning enhancement centers for deprived communities. Peace and reconciliation, fostering trust and collaborative coexistence, focusing on vulnerable communities affected by conflicts. Ecology and environment, preserving the environment through biodiversity conservation, organic farming, and renewable energy. Accompanying youth, empowering marginalized youth with essential life skills, career guidance, and personal development. Mining and minerals, ensuring just and environmentally friendly extractive projects through community engagement. Refugee services, providing essential support and education to refugees, ensuring they receive the care and resources they deserve. Migrant welfare, assisting distressed migrant workers through partnerships and sustainable models. Now, let's take a closer look at one of our impactful interventions.
In the quiet corridors of Loyola Vocational Institute, an inspiring transformation is shaping the future. It's more than just a school, it's a sanctuary of dreams. Each dawn here brings not just light, but the promise of a better future. Welcome to a place where potential meets opportunity, where determination knows no bounds. As the sun rises, so do the aspirations of these young minds. In the realm of computer codes, they find their voice. Amidst wires and circuits, they discover their power. In the artistry of beauty culture, they embrace confidence. And in the warmth of ovens and stoves, they craft not just delicious treats, but also dreams of a brighter tomorrow.
सर मेरा नाम मनीषा है और मैं यहाँ 2 साल से फैशन डिज़ाइनिंग का कोर्स सीख रही हूँ। मेरा लगभग कंप्लीट हो गया है और मैंने कई सारी चीज़ें यहाँ से सीखी हैं, जैसे कि सूट और कई सारी चीज़ें जो लेडीज़ गारमेंट होती हैं और जेंट्स शर्ट्स और पैंट, कई सारी चीज़ें। तो लगभग सारे डिज़ाइंस वगैरह मैं सीख चुकी हूँ और मेरा कंप्लीट हो चुका है। तो मैं सिर्फ एग्ज़ाम्स के लिए यहाँ हूँ। एग्ज़ाम होते ही मेरा पूरा प्रॉपर हो जाएगा और डिप्लोमा हो जाएगा। Yes, I am happy.
Join us in our mission to build a more equitable and sustainable future. Together, we can make a difference. Visit us at jrds.org to learn more and get involved. Thank you for your support.